Julie, speaking of stormy weather on its way, hundreds of people in Michigan are being forced to buy expensive flood insurance because of new flood zones established by FEMA. News 10's Rachel Thomas spoke with county, state, and congressional leaders who are now taking a detailed look at those maps.
In a town hall meeting, Congressman Tim Walberg introduced a new bill that would delay homeowners in newly drawn flood zones from having to purchase flood insurance for 5 years.
It appears that they are in great error, and people who have never had to purchase flood insurance are now being required to do that.
They have about 45 days to purchase insurance that costs about $100 a month. But in the last few weeks, it's Michigan lawmakers that have been flooded by the outpour of complaints.
We've had huge outcry, especially down in Jackson County.
People from Bellevue, Eaton Rapids, Dimondale, who are all having the same problem.
One commissioner of Eaton County now finds his home to be in a new flood zone, meaning it has a 26% chance of flooding during a 30-year mortgage.
My family's lived on Whittam Road for 100 years, and we are encapsulated into this ever-increasing floodplain. It hasn't flooded, but yet FEMA has force-placed insurance on us, and it's just not fair.
The new maps show all of these houses off Whittam Road are now in the flood zone near Springbrook, except for this one. The commissioner says nearly all the municipalities in Eaton County are negatively affected by these maps. FEMA declined to comment on the proposed legislation, but a state engineer that works with FEMA says the new maps are more accurate. But in areas such as Eaton County, the elevation on the topographic map were drawn to 10-foot intervals and could be more precise.
We're just going to get educated on the issue and see if there's anything that we can do to make sure that these floodplains are justified.
Local leaders also plan to review the maps at a state level so the people of Michigan don't have to wait for Congress. In Eaton County, Rachel Thomas, News 10.
And Representative Walberg's new bill would also allow 3 years for homeowners and lawmakers to review the maps before they are implemented. FEMA says it continues to work with communities to, quote, strengthen those maps.